हाय गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। तो आज हम डिस्कस करने वाले हैं क्लास 12 एनसीईआरटी बायोलॉजी चैप्टर 4 प्रिंसिपल ऑफ इनहेरिटेंस एंड वेरिएशन। ये चैप्टर नीट के एग्जाम के लिए 4 या 5 क्वेश्चन का वेटेज रखता है और ये बहुत बड़ा चैप्टर है। इस चैप्टर को स्टूडेंट बार बार रिवाइज नहीं कर सकते हैं, इसलिए मैं यहाँ पे सारे के सारे इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट, इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक हाईलाइट करके लाया हूँ ताकि आप इस चैप्टर को कम से कम समय में रिवाइज कर सके और उन की पॉइंट को रिवाइज कर सके जो नीट के एग्ज़ाम में डायरेक्ट क्वेश्चन आते हैं। तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल हम इन टॉपिक्स पर फोकस करेंगे जहाँ से क्वेश्चन आते हैं, बाद में जो बाकी टॉपिक है उन पर भी फोकस करेंगे, लेकिन फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल जहाँ से क्वेश्चन आते हैं उन टॉपिक पर हम फोकस करेंगे। फर्स्ट टॉपिक है जेनेटिक डिसऑर्डर पेडिग्री एनालिसिस। पेडिग्री एनालिसिस में हम स्टडी करते हैं फैमिली हिस्ट्री अबाउट इनहेरिटेंस ऑफ पर्टिकुलर ट्रेड, प्रोवाइड अन alternative such as analysis trait in a several of generation of family is called the pedigree analysis। तो यहाँ पे जो फैमिली में डिसेस होते हैं उनके बारे में पढ़ते हैं और ये कुछ सिंबल्स है, यहाँ से हर साल क्वेश्चन आ ही जाता है एक न एक। तो ये आपका मेल को रिप्रेजेंट करता है, ये फीमेल को रिप्रेजेंट करता है, ये सेक्स अनस्पेसिफाइड को रिप्रेजेंट करता है, ये अफेक्टेड इंडिविजुअल्स को रिप्रेजेंट करता है, ये मीटिंग को रिप्रेजेंट करता है, ये मीटिंग बिटवीन रिलेटिव कॉन्सेक्शुअस मीटिंग को रिप्रेजेंट करता है, ये पेरेंट्स अबव एंड चिल्ड्रंस बिलो इन ऑर्डर्स ऑफ बर्थ एंड लेफ्ट राइट को रिप्रेजेंट करेगा, ये पेरेंट्स विच मेल चाइल्ड अफेक्टेड विथ डिसीज, तो ये इसको रिप्रेजेंट करेगा, और ये लास्ट वाला 5 अनअफेक्टेड ऑफरिंग्स को रिप्रेजेंट करता है। तो ये आपको याद रखना है, यहाँ से एक क्वेश्चन जरूर आता है। मेंडेलाइन डिसऑर्डर, यहाँ से आपका क्वेश्चन बनेगा मेंडेलाइन डिसऑर्डर एंड क्रोमोसोमल डिसऑर्डर। मेंडेलाइन डिसऑर्डर आर मेनली डिटरमाइंड बाय द अल्टरनेशन और म्यूटेशन इन अ सिंगल जीन्स ट्रांसमिटेड टू द ऑफरिंग ऑन द सेम लाइन एज वी हैव स्टडीड। तो यहाँ पे हम मेंडेलाइन डिसऑर्डर, हेमोफीलिया, साइटिक फाइबर, सिकल सेल एनीमिया, कलर ब्लाइंडनेस, फेनिलकेटोन्यूरिया, थैलेसीमिया, इनके बारे में पढ़ने वाले हैं। मेंडेलाइन डिसऑर्डर्स में बी डोमिनेंट और रिसेसिव। तो ये मेंडेलाइन डिसऑर्डर डोमिनेंट और रिसेसिव टाइप के होते हैं। द ट्रेट में बी ऑल्सो लिंकेड टू द सेक्स क्रोमोसोम्स इन ईच केस हेमोफीलिया इफ इट इज एविडेंट दैट दिस इज एक्स लिंकेज रिसेसिव ट्रेट शो ट्रांसमिटेड फ्रॉम कैरियर फीमेल टू मेल प्रोजेनी। ये जो पेडिग्री के डायग्राम्स है वो माइटोनिक डिस्ट्रोफी को रिप्रेजेंट करती है। यहाँ पे फीमेल जो है अफेक्टेड है, मेल अनअफेक्टेड है, तो ऐसा होता है पेडिग्री एनालिसिस मोनोसोनिक डायस्ट्रोफी का। ये सिकल सेल एनीमिया का है, यहाँ पे बोथ पेरेंट्स अनअफेक्टेड है और यहाँ पे नेक्स्ट पीढ़ी में, नेक्स्ट जनरेशन में मेल सेकंड में मेल अफेक्टेड है और यहाँ पे नेक्स्ट जनरेशन में फीमेल अफेक्टेड है। कलर ब्लाइंडनेस, सेक्स लिंक्ड रिसेसिव डिसऑर्डर ड्यू टू द डिफेक्ट इन द either red or green cones of eyes resulting in failure to determination between red and green color. About 8% males and only about 0.4% of females. This is cause genes that led to the red green color blindness are on the X chromosomes. Male have only one X chromosome and female have 2. This the son of women who carriers the genes has 50% of the chance of color blindness. The mother is the not herself color blindness because the genes is recessive. That means that the affected supposed by the her meeting dominant normal genes. A daughter will not normally be color blindness unless her mother is carrier and her father is color blindness. Hemophilia is a sex-linked recessive disease which show it is a transmission from unaffected carrier female to the some of the male progeny has been widely studied. In this disease, a single protein that is a part of the cascade of proteinus involved in the clotting of blood is affected. Due to this in affected individual, simple cut will result in the non-stop bleeding. The heterozygous female carrier for hemophilia may be transmitted the disease to son. Possibility of female becoming hemophilia is extremely rare because mother of such a female has to be less carrier and the father should be hemophilic. unavailable later stage of life. The family pedigree of Queen Victoria show number of hemophilic distinctions as she was carrier of the disease. Sickle cell anemia. This is autosomal linkage recessive trait that can be transmitted from parents to the offerings when both the parents are carrier of genes or heterozygous. The disease is controlled by the single pair of alleles HBS. Out of these three possible genotype, only homozygous individual for HBS so the disease is phenotype. Heterozygous HBS individual appear apparently unaffected, but they are carrier for of this disease. There is a 50% probability of transmission of the mutant genes to the progeny. Those exhibited sickle cell trait, the defect is caused by the substitution of glutamic acid glue by valine valves at the 6th position of the beta globin chains of the hemoglobin molecules. This is substitution of amino acid in the globin protein result due to the single base substitution at the 6th codon of the beta globin genes from GAG to GUG. The mutant hemoglobin molecules undergo polymerizations under low oxygen tension, causing the change in the shape of RBC from biconcave disc to the elongated sickle like structure. तो ये है रिप्रेजेंटेशन. ये नॉर्मल सेल है. नॉर्मल सेल में GAG CTG इस प्रकार का ये रिप्रेजेंटेशन होता है और अफेक्टेड यहाँ पे GTG में कन्वर्ट हो जाता है, GAG में कन्वर्ट हो जाता है, CUG में कन्वर्ट हो जाता है. ये पेप्टाइड्स चेंज बदल जाते हैं. Phenylketonuria. This is inborn error of metabolism is also inherited as the converted the amino autosomal recessive trait. The affected individual lack on enzymes. It is converted to amino acid phenylalanine into tyrosine. Also result of this phenylalanine is accumulated and converted into phenylpyruvic acid and other derivatives. Accumulation of the brain result in the mental retardation. This is are also excreted through the urine because of the poor absorption of kidney. Thalassemia. This is also autosomal linkage recessive blood disease transmitted from parents to the offspring when both the parents are unaffected carrier for the genes of or heterozygous. This is the defect could be due to either mutation or deletion, which is ultimately result in the reduced rate synthesis of one of the globin chain alpha and beta that make of hemoglobin. This causes the formation of abnormal hemoglobin molecule resulting into anemia, which is characteristic of this disease. Thalassemia can be classified according to which chain of hemoglobin molecules is affected. In alpha thalassemia, production of alpha globin chain is affected, while beta thalassemia producing beta globin chain is affected. Alpha thalassemia is controlled by two closely linked genes HBA1 and HBA2 on chromosome 16 of each parents and is observed due to the mutation or deletion of one more four genes. While beta thalassemia is controlled by a single gene HBB on chromosome 11. अब हम पढ़ेंगे क्रोमोसोमल डिसऑर्डर के बारे में. क्रोमोसोमल डिसऑर्डर. तो क्रोमोसोमल डिसऑर्डर ऑन द अदर हैंड आर caused ड्यू टू द absence or excess or abnormal aberrations of one or more chromosomes. Gain or loss of chromosomes is called aneuploidy. For example, Down syndrome result in the gain or extra chromosomes of copy numbers chromosomes 21. Similarly, Turner syndromes result due to loss of an X chromosomes in the human females. Failure of cytokinesis after telophase stage of the cell division result in the increases wall of the set of chromosomes. This phenomena is known as the polyploidy. Lack of one any other pair of chromosomes. This is situation are known as the trisomy or monosomy of chromosomes. फर्स्ट डिसऑर्डर है डाउन सिंड्रोम. ये क्रोमोसोमल डिसऑर्डर है. दिस इज काउज जेनेटिक डिसऑर्डर इज द प्रेजेंस ऑफ एडिशनल कॉपी ऑफ The chromosome number 21, trisomy 21, this is disorder was first described by the London Down 1866. Affected individual is short, saturated with a small round head, fewer tongues and partially open mouth. Plum is bored, which is characteristics plum crisis, physical, physiometer and mental development is retarded. Klinefelter syndromes. This is genetic disorder is also caused due to the presence of additional copy of X chromosome resulting in the karyotype 47XXY, and such as individuals overlap masculine development. However, the feminine development of breast gynecomastia is also expressed, such as individuals are sterile. Turner syndrome, such a disorder is due to caused absence of one X chromosome, 45 with XO chromosomes, such as female sterile ovaries, rudimentary oocytes, and other features, including lack of other secondary sexual characters. Wasting time. Human knew from early as 8000 to 10,000 BC that one of the causes of variations was hidden in sexual reproduction. Artificial selection and domestication from ancestors. Wild cow, we have well-known Indian breeds. Example, Sahiwal cow in Punjab. ये 7 पेयर ऑफ कैरेक्टर्स है, इसको हम डिस्कस करेंगे क्योंकि ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, यहाँ से क्वेश्चन आता है. तो डोमिनेंट ट्रेड सीड शेप कैसा होता है, राउंड, और रिसेसिव फ्रिंकलेट. सीड कलर डोमिनेंट येलो और रिसेसिव ग्रीन होता है. फ्लावर कलर डोमिनेंट वायलेट एंड रिसेसिव वाइट. पोड शेप डोमिनेंट ट्रेड फूल्स एंड रिसेसिव ट्रेड कंट्रेक्स्ट होता है. और पोड कलर डोमिनेंट ग्रीन होता है और रिसेसिव ट्रेड येलो होता है. फ्लावर पोजीशन एक्साइल्स एंड रिसेसिव टर्मिनल होता है. और यहाँ पे स्टेम हाइट टॉल एंड ड्रॉप. ये है आपके 7 पेयर ऑफ कंस्ट्रक्टिंग ट्रेड्स इन द पी प्लांट स्टडीड बाय मेंडल्स. तो स्टडी की थी मेंडल ने इन फर्स्ट. अब हम बात करेंगे मेंडल्स लॉ ऑफ इनहेरिटेंस. गर्गे मेंडल कंडक्टेड हाइब्रिडाइजेशन एक्सपेरिमेंट ऑन गार्डन पी फॉर 7 years 1856 to 1863. First time that statistical analysis and mathematical logic were applied to problem in biology. His experiment had a large sampling size, which gave greater credibility to the data that collected. Mendel conducted such as artificial pollination, cross-pollination experiments using several true breeding pea lines. Mendel selected 14 true breeding pea plant varieties. रिमूवल ऑफ एंथर इमास्कुलेशन, इस प्रोसेस को हम इमास्कुलेशन कहते हैं. ट्रांसफर ऑफ पोलेन पोलिनेशन. इनहेरिटेंस ऑफ वन जीन्स फर्स्ट हाइब्रिड जनरेशन. दिस इज जनरेशन इज ऑल्सो कॉल्ड फिलाल 1 प्रोजेनी और F1. Mendel then self-pollinated in the tall F plant and to his purpose found that in the Filal 2 generation. F2 state both the traits were expressed in the proportions 3.1. The contrasting traits did not show any blending at the either F1 and F2 stage. The genes therefore are the unit of inheritance. तो genes को हम inheritance characters भी denote करते हैं. Genes which is code for a pair of contrasting traits are known as allele. Tall or dwarf pea varieties. The allelic pair of genes for height are identical or homozygous. Capital T and small t respectively. Capital T and small t are called genotypes of the plant, while the descriptive terms tall and dwarf are the phenotypes. Pair of dissimilar factor F1 stage factor called the dominant, and while other factor recessive in the T and tallness in dominant over the for dwarfness, that is recessive. Allele can be similar as in the case of homozygotes capital T and small t, or can be dissimilar in the case of heterozygous capital T and small t. This segregation of alleles is a random process, and so there is a 50% of the chance of gamete containing either alleles as the been verified by the result of the crossing. Hybrid contain alleles which expresses contrasting traits. The plant are heterozygous. F1 and F2 plant can be understood from the diagram called Punnett square, was developed by the British genetics Richard C. Punnett. It is graphical representation to calculate the probability of all the possible genotype of offering in genetic cross. The possible gametes are written on the two sides, usually top row and left columns. Punnett square show the parental tall T males and drop T small t female plants. Punnett square used to understand the typical monohybrid cross conducted by the Mendel between true breeding tall plants and true breeding drop plants. From the Punnett square, it is easily seen that the 1/4 of the randoms and fertilization led to the capital T, 1/2 led to the capital T and small t, 1/4 of capital T, small t. F1 have genotype of capital T and small t, and F2 3/4 of plants are talls. Genotype of the tall plant F2. Mendel crosses the tall plant from the F2 with the drop plants. This is called trace cross. यहाँ पे हम बात करेंगे प्रिंसिपल और लॉ ऑफ इनहेरिटेंस के मेंडल के दो यहाँ पे लॉ है. फर्स्ट लॉ ऑफ डोमिनेंस एंड सेकंड लॉ ऑफ सेग्रीगेशन. द लॉ ऑफ डोमिनेंस में कैरेक्टर्स आर कंट्रोल्ड बाय द डिस्क्रीट यूनिट कॉल्ड फैक्टर एंड सेकंड फैक्टर ऑकर इन पेयर्स. थर्ड इन सिमिलर पेयर ऑफ पेयर्स फैक्टर्स वन मेंबर ऑफ द पेयर डोमिनेंट the other recessive. Law of segregations. This is law is based on the fact that alleles do not show any blending. Both the characters are recorded as such as F2 generations, and without one of these not seen at the F1 stage. Incomplete dominance. The inheritance of flower color in the dog flower Cynadroben Antherinum sp. Good example of understand incomplete dominance. In cross between true breedings red flower R and true breeding white flower plants smaller the F1 R and smaller was the pink color. एंड यहाँ पे डबल आर जो होते हैं कैपिटल उन्हें रेड फ्लावर को डिनोट करते हैं और कैपिटल आर एंड स्मॉल आर पिंक को डिनोट करते हैं और स्मॉल आर वाइट को डिनोट करते हैं. Co-dominance. F1 generation resemble both the parents. A good example is different type of red blood cell determine ABO blood grouping in human beings. ABO blood group are controlled by the genes I. Sugar is controlled by the genes. The genes I has a three alleles IBA, IBE, I and small I and capital IA. तो ये आपके कुछ जीन्स है वो कोडोमिनेंट को डिनोट करते हैं और यहाँ पे कुछ ब्लड ग्रुपिंग है 6 टाइप के वो जीन्स को डिनोट करते हैं. ये टेबल भी आपको अच्छे से याद रखना है क्योंकि यहाँ से क्वेश्चन बनता है. ABO blood grouping also provide a good example of multiple alleles. Chromosomal theory of inheritance. Mendel published his work on the inheritance of characters in 1865, but for several reasons it is remained unrecognized till 19. Firstly, communication was not easy as it is now in this day and those days, and his work could not widely published. Secondly, his concept of genes for factor Mendel in the word stable and discrete unit controlled the expressions of trait of the pairs allele which is did not blend, which each other was not accepted by his contemporary as the explanation for the apparently continuous variations seen in nature. Thirdly, Mendel approach using the mathematics to explain biology phenomena was totally new unacceptable to many of the biologists of his time. Finally, throughout Mendel, his work suggested that the factor genes were discrete units. He could not provide any physical and proof for the existence of factors or say what they were made of. In 19th century, there are 3 scientists, De Vries, Cornas, and one Tex-Marx, independently rediscovered Mendel's result on the inheritance of characters. Also by these times, advancement in microscopy that is were taking place. Scientists were able to clarify observe cell division. This is led to be the discovery of structure in the nucleus that is apparent to the double and divide just before each cell division. These were colored chromosomes, colored body as they were visualized by the standing by the 1902. The chromosomes movement during the meiosis had been worked out. Walter Sutton and Theodore Bowries noted that behavior of chromosomes was parallel to behavior of genes and used chromosomes movement to explain Mendel laws. Sutton and Bowry argued that the pairing and separation of pair of chromosomes, chromosomal theory of inheritance, experimental verification of the chromosomal theory of inheritance by the Thomas Hunt Morgan and his colleagues led to the discovering the basis of for the variation the sexual reproduction produced. Morgan worked with the tiny fruit fly Drosophila melanogastars and where which is the found very suitable for such a study. They could be grow simple synthetic medium in the laboratory. They completed their life cycle in about 2 weeks. Single mating produced large number of progeny fides. Linkage and recombination. Morgan carried out the several dihybrid cross in Drosophila to study genes that were sex linkage. The crosses were similar to the dihybrid cross carried out by Mendel in peas. For example, Morgan dehybridizes yellow bodies, white eyes female to brown bodies, red eyed male and intercrossed their F1 progeny. F2 ratio delivered varies significantly from 9331 ratio and genes were located on X chromosomes. White and yellow were very tightly linked and showed only 1.3% of recombination while white and miniatures wings showed 37.2% recombinations. He studied Alfred Solvang used the frequency of recombination between genes pair one same chromosome as measures of the distance between genes and mapped their position on chromosomes. Polygenic inheritance. Flower color witches are the either purple or white. Humans where do not just have tall or short people as two distinct alternatives but whole range of possible heights such as traits genetically controlled by the 3 or more genes and are those all called polygenic traits. Human skin color is the another classical example of for polygenic trait and the phenotypic reflection. Contribution of each allele. 3 genes A, B, C control skin color. In human, ABC responsible for dark skin color and recessive for small b and small c for the light skin color. Dominant allele capital AA and BBC will be the darkest skin color and small AABBC have the lightest skin color. तो ये कुछ फैक्टर है पॉलीजेनिक इनहेरिटेंस को दर्शाते हैं. Pleiotropy, different phenotype. An example of this, the disease feline quaternaria, which is occur humans. The disease is caused by the mutation in the genes that is code for the enzyme phenylalanine hydroxylase single genes mutation. This is manifested itself through the phenotypic expressions characteristics by mental retardation and reductions in a hairs and skin pigmentation. तो ये कुछ एग्जाम्पल है पीलियोट्रोपीज के. Sex determinations. Genetic chromosome basis of the sex determination. Hacking 1891 could track the specific nuclear structure all the throughout spermatogenesis in few insect, and it was also the structure all the observed by the him that 50% of the sperm received these structures after the spermatogenesis, where the other 50% of sperm did not receive it. Is Hacking gave a name of this structure X4D but could not explain its significance. Insect, the mechanism of sex determination is of the exotype. All egg bear additional X chromosomes. Grasshopper is an example of exotype of sex determination in which the male have only one X chromosome beside the autosome, where the female have a pair of X chromosomes. In number of the other insect and males, including male XY type of sex determinations. Drosophila, the male have a X and Y chromosomes, and where female have a pair of X chromosomes beside autosomes. with X chromosomes and some which is Y chromosomes is considered as male heterogamy, but a different mechanism sex determination is observed. Chromosomes are produced by the female. Female heterogamy in the order have a distinct which is mechanism sex determination described earlier. Two different sex chromosomes of female bird has been designed to the ZW chromosome. In the organisms, the female have a Z and W chromosomes, where male have a pair of Z chromosomes beside the autosomes. Sex determination in honeybee. Honeybee is the based on the number of set of chromosomes in individual receive and offering for formed unions of a sperm and egg developed as female queen or workers, and unfertilized egg developed as male grown by the means of parthenogenesis. Female are diploid having 32 chromosomes and male are haploid having 16 chromosomes. This is called haplodiploid. Haplodiploid sex determination system has special characteristic features such as male produce sperm by the mitosis. Mutations. Mutation is a phenomena which is result in alternation of DNA sequence and consequently result in a change in the phenotype, genotypes and phenotypes of some organisms. In addition, recombination mutation is another phenomena that is led to variation in DNA. Chromosomal aberrations are commonly observed in the cancer cell. In addition to the above, mutation also arise due to change in the single base pair of DNA. This is known as the point of mutation. Classical example of such as mutation is sickle cell anemia, deletion, insertions of base pair DNA, cause from shift mutations. Mechanism of mutation behind the scope. This is discussion is the level. However, there is a many chemical and physical factor that is induce mutation. These are referred to as mutations. Ultraviolet radiation can use mutation in the organism. It is the mutations.